Welcome traders, Patrick Head Trader, Trading123.net. In this video we're going to talk about trading the NQ here on December 23rd, 2020. We're coming up to the Christmas holiday here, and usually a couple days before the holiday volume is a little light. So this was our one and done trade. No need to trade the whole day on light volume. So we wait till about 10:30 to start trading due to the light volume and waiting for the volume to get into the market. We won't want to be the first one in line at 9:30 to get whacked by a whack-a-mole trade up and down out of nowhere and get whacked. So it's best to sit back, these low volume holiday days of trading. Sit out the first hour, let the market, find its support and resistance levels and the overall trend, and if there's any news moving the market. And trading during the holidays when it's lighter volume between the Christmas and New Year time frame is the lightest volume week of the entire year. So it's not a time to be trading big contracts or trying to hit home runs. Just make one or two trades, get some gains, call it a day, and enjoy the holiday. So here we're trading NQ on 3 contracts, and the market started a downtrend right after 10:30 or so. Had been up pretty much at the open. So what goes up comes down is my motto. So we started the auto trader in a downtrend. It goes to get long right here, and there wasn't much movement to the upside, so we get stopped and whacked like a whack-a-mole on the trade for a small loss. And then the auto trader recognizes the trend change and gets short here and has a nice sell-off, and we catch our first profit target hits here, and then our break-even stop gets us out here, and we catch over 80% of this downtrend on the other 2 contracts. And since we're downtrending, we shut the longs off over there on the button bar on the left. You can see it's gray and highlighted. So that means it will not take any longs because we knew we were downtrending. And if we took a long here, it probably would have ended up, pretty much like this one. Small stop. And then the auto trader recognized the second leg down of this downtrend. It gets short. First contract gets out at our specific profit target. And the other 2 contracts get out at our max daily goal. So we end up with we hit our $500 goal, which we were going for. And it's a one and done trade, as the volume will probably get lighter going into 11 and the rest of the day. No sense getting chopped around and giving it all back. That's where discipline comes in, and you got to know when to quit trading. So trading three contracts and making $500 a day is not a bad thing. You do the math, it comes up to $2,500 a week. Times that by 4, that's a nice monthly payday. And it can be done with the auto trader, whether you're making 200, 300, or 500. It can be done, and as you see, we showed the results right here with the automated trading, and we'll repeat the same thing in our next trading session. We sure the hell ain't going to be trading the day before Christmas, because that's just chop fest whack-a-mole. And usually this Monday coming up following Christmas will be a light volume. As I said, it's a light volume week, so if we do trade, we're not going to jump in right at the market. We're going to wait a good hour or so and trade the 10:30 to 11:30 power hour time frame when most of the volume's in the market, and we trade with the volume so we don't get whacked and stopped. And that's the way all holidays work, always on light volume. Got to be careful, especially with this being the Christmas holiday, the most light volume traded week of the year. And they, say it all the time on CNBC, and the history repeats itself just like in trading every year. Same thing happens. Light volume the week of the holiday. So hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more trading tips and sign up for our Facebook and Twitter pages. Have a good evening. This is Patrick, head trader, Trading123.net.